Let's talk about fuseEZ fusible interfacing. Where Lofty Soft is about softness and dimension, fuseEZ fusible interfacing is about control and structure. This is the specialty product you'll reach for when your fabric needs a little bit of extra body, support, and structure, while also maintaining its softness and flexibility. fuseEZ is a woven, fusible interfacing. It gets applied to the back of your fabric and stays in your project permanently. It adds structure to your fabric without making your fabric feel stiff or heavy. It's especially helpful when you want your fabric to be easier to handle while still maintaining its softness and flexibility. Use fuseEZ interfacing when you want your fabric to have a little bit of added body and stability. Sometimes fabric can feel too soft, lightweight, or floppy for your project. fuseEZ helps give that fabric more support, and it behaves better for you in the hoop and in your finished project. It can support embroidery without stiffness and still give your finished project that crisp, nice finished feel, but maintain its softness. A simple way to think about fuseEZ is it gives your fabric a soft, lasting structure. fuseEZ fusible interfacing is great for projects that are applique, in the hoop projects, quilting, things where you want a little bit of extra structure. When using fuseEZ fusible interfacing, it gets applied to the back of your fabric. There are two sides to the fusible. One is a rough side and one is a smooth side. That rough side is the fusible. That's what you're going to place against the back side of your fabric. Follow the instructions to press this on the back of your fabric. It will give you the temperature of your iron and duration. Unlike regular stabilizers such as tearaway or cutaway, fuseEZ fusible interfacing is a permanent part of your finished project. Because it stays in your project permanently, it adds structure and support to your finished piece. For lightweight or delicate fabric, we always recommend testing on a small sample first, just so that you know how that fabric is going to react. This is also a great place to talk about the difference between fusible interfacing and stabilizer. Stabilizer supports your project while it's being stitched. The fusible interfacing stays in that project to help maintain the structure throughout its lifetime. Interfacings provide support to the fabric itself. Many projects will use both interfacing and stabilizer together to give you the proper support. Therefore, fuseEZ fusible interfacing does not replace stabilizer. It's an additional layer that adds support and continued structure to your project. If you're new to using interfacing, just remember, fuseEZ provides additional support and structure to your fabric, which makes it easier to handle and use during the embroidery process. It is fused to the back of your fabric and hooped with a stabilizer and stays in your project. As always, check your project instructions for detailed information on when and where to use fusible interfacing. Designs by Juju Plus specialty products help expand what's possible in your embroidery. You can explore the full Designs by Juju Plus product line at designsbyjujuplus.com.